Alright, so here is the best way on how you can fix Valorant crash after launch. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best methods on how you can fix this problem. So first of what you can do is just simply go to Valorant over here in the start, and you'll see the Valorant icon. I don't play Valorant, but I'll show you how you can fix it up. So let's say this is Valorant. You have to right click on it and you have to go to properties. Over here, you need to go to compatibility and you need to make sure that run this program as an administrator is turned on. And you just need to make sure this option is turned on to play that game and check if it's get good or not. So if it's still not getting fixed, what you can do is just simply head over to your Windows and settings. And inside settings, you need to type in Windows Firewall Defender, Windows Defender Firewall, and it will bring you over here. Now you need to go to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender. And right over here, what you can do is just simply press on change settings. Now you need to press on allow another app and you need to browse it. So after that, you need to find the of a place where you've downloaded Valorant. So a lot of people downloaded it in C or D. So go ahead and simply press on this PC or just find it and simply download it and press on it. After that, it's done. Just simply close it up, and now you need to update your graphic cards drivers if it's still not fixing. So there are plenty of ways, but the first way is just simply going to your graphic designer, and here as you can see, uh, it even says for me that I need to update. So I'm just gonna go ahead and reinstall the update, and it says download. So if I just press download, here as you can see, the update started downloading. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.